Then you will arrive at your destination. You've arrived.
Please take ticket. Your ticket with you will be within the pay station. Please proceed into the line.
Okay, I just caught a glimpse of it. Been directed to. Oh crap. There they are. Exam. Coming up the stairs from the parking garage. Looking for it. Where are they at? Where are they at? I don't know. Mount Rushmore National Memorial. And there they are. Last time I was here, I was riding my new Sportster 2004 up here. Stayed with my buddy Mitch from Billings, Montana. Him and his family lived over in Rapid City. He was a Harley biker too, so guess what? I had my own special tour guide during the whole time I was up here. He took me to places tourists don't know about. It's fun taking pictures of people taking pictures. Looking for that perfect Instagram shot. Looking down the Avenue of Flags. Let's just zoom in here and take a stroll down the Avenue of Flags.
Good job. Probably lighten it up.
Thank you.
You want to take one of us?
Need your help. I wish there was a way to zoom on selfie mode. That would be so cool. And you know me, I'm always curious about the strata of the rock. Look how that swirls and patterns and whatever. And yet they took that swirling rock and carved 4 presidents in there. And look at the rock to the right and the left. That's what the whole mountain looked like before they started working on it. Fabulous. This is a dining and refreshment area at Mount Rushmore. I chose some ice cream. Ice cream, when you always scream for ice cream. This is Thomas Jefferson vanilla and praline pecan. It's a pretty big place. Very clean, very nice. And there's where you get your food, and you can choose to eat inside, or like these people are doing, choose to eat outside. And over here to the left is the entrance, and then to the right is the Screaming Kid and the Avenue of Flags. South Dakota, 1889, 40th state admitted to the Union. Tennessee, 1796, 16th state admitted to the Union. Texas, 1845, the 28th state admitted to the Union. And there's their respective flags: South Dakota, Tennessee, and Texas. Does that make if you're approval guys, huh? It's cool. We'll go for it. And obviously, as the sign says, this is a gift shop. Well, what surprises me is how many people are here waiting in line to be parted with their money for some treasure or some souvenir. That's going to go home and collect dust, and then a number of years ago, why do we keep this? And nobody knows. It's done. It's destined for the dustbin. Up here on the right is the carver, the sculptor of the mountain, is his dream and his vision. Gutzon Borglum. Gutzon Borglum. Here are the names of the Rushmore workers from 1927 to 1914. Well, I've done Mount Rushmore again. I like to come back when there's fewer people. But people make it interesting. I don't mind people getting in my way because it just adds perspective to some of the size and the massive things that you're seeing when you get a human being in front of it. And with that, I want to sign off, move on down the road, see what else is to be seen.